Well, for an Eclipse, a 320 bet, 760 in the bank. Let's just touch this thing. We'll take whatever they give us. It's been a long day. One time, anything good? Anything good? Minor. I don't know how many spins are on a minor, but we'll take it. 18. All right. Maybe we can win some money. Wish me luck. Everybody likes to touch the screen. There you go. That's a good start. $22. Love it. Let's hear the howl. It's a sando. One more sando, we touch the screen. $50. $50. All right. I don't think this is going to be a shorty, so we'll just let it play out and enjoy it. Enjoy a simple one before I get back to lunch. Come on, one more. Keep it going. There we go. Sando. Come on, we do better than that. Come on. There we go. Come on. 80 cents. Wow, button your shirt up, your heart's pouring out. Okay, come on. Aces. Extra pay. 8. 128. Oh, do you like to see that? Thank you. Say thanks to the machine, tap the screen, and let's get it going again. One more, there you go. That'll do all right. 21. Started this for what, $7? We do an 8 of 18. We'll get extra pay again. A little bit of a sando. There we go. 1, 2. We'll take it. 36. This could be the first time I do not stop the machine or the reels on a bonus. So I apologize for not being a shorty. Okay. Really? That's why you stop it. Come on. There's one. Oh boy. Got 7 spins left. Let's get some. Maybe a bonus. 10s. Come on. Oh my goodness. Bookends. Alright, 5 spins. We need to get some damage done here. Let's go. Howl, 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 howl. We'll take $12. Whoa. Swing and a miss. A big miss. 2 spins left. Let's rock. Oh boy. 60 cents. Wow, so much money. Come on, one time. Nope. $2.96. Can't complain. Yeah, $7. Thanks for watching. One backup spin. Thank you for watching.